Hi and welcome to the tutorial of MetaTrader 4 installation on your mobile Android phone. What you need to do first is go to the Google Play Store and type in the search MetaTrader 4. It will open this and you need to install it here. I already installed it, so it says open. When I click open, it will open automatically, and it will open then a demo account automatically. So what we need to do is click these three stripes, go to manage accounts, and then we click and delete this demo account. Okay, so we delete so it doesn't confuse you. Okay, the next thing is what we need to find out is to which account are we going to connect this MetaTrader 4 app. So on your FX choice, when you go to the accounts, there should be, if you already connected to your sub account, there should be an account number. So we click on this account number and it will show you this number, 137445 in my case. In your case, it will be a completely different number, and when you created or connected to your sub account, you received an email with this information, this account number and random password. If you cannot find that email, then you can just click here and change password. So here you can change the password to whichever password you want, but all you need to remember is that it must contain at least 6 characters and cannot be longer than 15, and it should contain only letters and numbers. So make sure that you are using maybe uppercase, lowercase letters and numbers. Okay, when you do that, you need to retype it here again. So if you decide to change your password, so please remember this password for this sub account number. Okay, so what we have here now is when we find out what our password is, we go to plus, we go to log into an existing account, we find broker, we enter here FX space choice, and we choose the bottom one, Pro Live. Okay, so here in the login you will enter your account number, this number here, in my case 137445, and just for the purpose of this video I'm going to change the password here and enter like 23. Okay, so I did change the password. Okay, so the account password has been changed. Don't give this password to anyone. Okay, so let's go back and enter here my password. If I could do that, but I'm gonna, okay, F or 1, 2, 3, okay. So I click sign in. I don't want to save this. Okay, so here you go. So this is the real account. It will show your balance here, and when you go on this button here, this is the trade button. So the trade button will show your open trades. Okay, when you fund this account, all previous trades that were open before won't show here on your trading page. Okay, so only new trades that are open or will be open will show here. So be patient. If you funded on Sunday or Monday, you need to be patient in order for new trades to arrive and to open. Okay, so on this button here is a history button. So here you can find all closed trades. So in case you have started on Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, you will see open and closed trades. So here you can see the trades history. You can choose the dates for which you want it to be shown. So for today, you can just filter for every date you want, or you can go custom period, enter the dates you want to be from to whichever date you like. So you will see the history of the closed trades here. All the other information is really irrelevant for you. Okay, so basically this is all you have to do to connect your FX Choice account with your MetaTrader 4 account on your phone. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.